Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using FirstCreditFix. FirstCreditFix, a comprehensive review, and my user experience. FirstCreditFix is a professional credit repair service designed to boost your credit score efficiently and effectively. For a deeper dive into the service, be sure to check out the links provided in the description. In this review, I'll break down the key features, explain who would benefit most from using FirstCreditFix, and share my own experience to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. FirstCreditFix offers a complete credit repair solution beginning with a thorough analysis of your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Their expert team meticulously identifies inaccuracies, errors, and unverifiable information, such as late payments, collections, or defaults. They then handle the entire dispute process for you. This hands-off approach is ideal for individuals who lack the time, knowledge, or confidence to navigate credit repair on their own. A key differentiator of FirstCreditFix is its highly personalized service. They avoid a generic, one-size-fits-all approach, opting instead to tailor their dispute strategies to your specific credit profile and situation. Beyond simply addressing inaccuracies, they provide practical advice and guidance on improving your credit habits, such as managing debt-to-credit ratios and maintaining consistent, on-time payments. The service also includes a user-friendly online portal, providing real-time updates on the progress of disputes, changes to your credit score, and a direct line of communication with their team. This transparency ensures you're always informed and up-to-date on the status of your credit repair journey. FirstCreditFix is an excellent option for anyone looking to rebuild their credit for significant financial milestones, whether it's buying a home, securing a loan, or simply improving overall financial health. The service is particularly helpful for those who feel overwhelmed by the complexities of credit repair and are seeking a trustworthy partner to manage the process. In summary, FirstCreditFix delivers on its promise of providing professional and efficient credit repair services. With personalized strategies, a user-focused online portal, and dedicated support, it's a valuable resource for anyone striving for better credit health. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and take the first step towards greater financial confidence today.